What's up, everybody? Today we're doing some concrete cleaning and some deck cleaning. So I'm going to take y'all through the process and let y'all kind of see how we do it. This will be a pretty good one today, so let me take y'all around real quick. We're going to be cleaning all around the pool. We're going to be cleaning all this concrete right here, this whole deck. As you can see, we have some algae over here, so we're going to take care of that. We'll probably end up washing these benches for them too, just as like a little extra. But yeah, for the most part, it's gonna be pretty good. So you can see down here, we're gonna clean all this up. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything kind of set up and ready. I got the trailer right out here, so I'm gonna unhook my hoses, get everything hooked up, and then we'll come back here and we'll get started. Alright guys, so we got all the plugs taped off. We got the door handles. I got these plugs taped off as well. There's one there and one there. We have this plug over here taped off, plug over there, and then we got this plug right over here. So how I'm taping these is I'm putting one piece of tape on top, and then I'm putting tape that's covering the actual plug. So we should have no SH or anything, any kind of chemical or water or anything like that go inside those plugs that'll hurt the plug. Definitely don't want to do that. So we are about to get started. All right guys, so we got some pre-treatment down here on the ground. We're letting it dwell a little bit, and we're going to use what we have left that's in the X-Jet, and then we're going to mix up our new stuff and do the deck. I had some pretty strong stuff inside that X-Jet and I didn't want to use it on the deck, so we're going to hit this first, and then we'll go to that. But you can see it's killing the algae. I don't know if you can tell, but right here it's cleaning up really well. Might have to spray this again right here, but it's looking good. So guys, we just finished up the wood. Got the concrete cleaned. So much better. So we're gonna let it dry. We've got a couple spots that could probably use a little bit more sodium hypochlorite, but that algae, man, it was relentless to what we were spraying at it. So we're gonna let it dry and see how it looks, and if we need to do another treatment on it, then we will. But man, it looks so much better. Over here. Thank y'all for watching. If you have any questions, send us a email, or you can down in the comments, whatever. I don't know where I'm going to post this. I might post this on YouTube and Facebook. But if you have any questions, or if you need a quote, go down and hit the message button. You can get a hold of us there. You can go to dtgpressurewashing.com, and all of our info is right there. So yeah, guys, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. All right.